What's up, everybody? We are back. We're doing another unboxing, and this one is something you will not believe. Well, you might believe it. If you've been following us on social media, maybe you saw last summer, we posted some Gundam-inspired AIO CPU liquid coolers. That was in celebration of the 40th anniversary for Mobile Suit Gundam. What we're unboxing today is the big boy. So as soon as we crack it open, we see we have this message from the Republic of Gamers, ROG. Welcome to the Elite Republic of Gamers community. While this one is a black and red inspired, this one is an all white. One thing you may not know about doing white components for anything, just about anything, especially for AIOs, it's not easy because you have different material types, and trying to match that white color on the different material types can be very, very difficult, which is one of the reasons why just now you're starting to see more and more white AIO solutions. ROG did a Strix white AIO, which looked amazing. And now they're following it up with RX-78-2 Mobile Suit Gundam. Right there. So, like I said, this is all white. The aluminum radiator, all white. The rubber tubes, all white. The pump housing, all white. And these are all different material types. White looks almost identical. It is fantastic. Also, like all our AIOs, you get a pre-applied TEM there, but take a look at that pump cap. Take a look at that pump cap. Let me place that right there. Is that not the RX-78-02? Is that not it? No, you're right. That isn't it. That is not it. Not yet, at least. Bam. That's it. Check that out. Check that out. EFSF, Earth Federation Space Force, Republic of Gamers, RX-78-2 Gundam. So let's pull that out. Looks amazing. Let's keep that right there. Jump right into the fans here. White color fans. RGB, looking pretty glorious. Fans are pretty cool because they each have a different logo on them. You got the Earth Federation Space Force there. Earth Federation Space Force branding there. And then the third one, not to be outdone, ROG branding. That ROG branding on the third one. Boop. Put that there. Let's make room for all the goodness. Let's make room for all the goodness. Okay. You also get a handy install guide and a bag chock full of accessories. So this AIO comes with the Intel mounting bracket already attached. But if AMD Team Red is your CPU flavor of choice, you also get AMD mounting hardware. This is the back plate for Intel. When you mount your when you mount the AIO CPU cooler to an AMD AM4 motherboard, you are going to use the back plate that already comes with your motherboard, and you're going to use the custom standoffs that we provide. This is the back plate for Intel. Hang that, actually, put that right there. This is the mounting bracket for AMD. Fan screws. Universal thumb screws for both Intel and AMD. And in this packet, you'll see their standoffs for Intel. And then we have a package of standoffs for AMD. You will also get RGB cables, fan cables, and a USB cable so your system can, so the pump can speak to the system and vice versa. Look at that right there. And that is about it. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments below, or you can reach us on Twitter, ASUS Twitter, ASUS Instagram, ASUS Facebook, or join the discussion on our ASUS Discord, where we are a very chatty group of people. We love to talk games, tech, and anything in between. So check us out. If you're looking for these, jump on them quick because they probably won't last long. We got the Zaku 2 inspired AIO for tough gaming, and the RX 7802, the most iconic Gundam, Mobile Suit Gundam in the series. This is a 360 radiator version. And yeah, these are some really cool, this was fun. This was really, really fun to get in on the anniversary. Shout out to ASUS ROG and Tough for really doubling down and making some kick butt CPU AIO liquid coolers. That's gonna be it for this one. Say hey and join us on the next one. Thanks everybody.